We have crews out all across the St. Louis region tonight covering the coronavirus outbreak and getting the information you need and the information you want. We start with Alexis Odos, who learned about the new precautions healthcare workers are taking at a local hospital.
Sam, right now, one of the top infectious disease doctors here at the BJC Healthcare system says right now is the time that we need to be following those stay-at-home orders. They say by following those directives at this time that it will hopefully lessen what they are expecting to be a surge in patients within the coming month. And this at a hospital system that regularly operates near capacity. That also means taking a hard look at the safety of their staff and the patients by screening staff members. They will begin screening staff members for temperature and symptoms to ensure that they are safe. They say this is needed because there is clear evidence of community spread and those cases are rising. Now, this was just 2 weeks ago that two Washington University Medical School doctors tested positive for COVID-19. They say this is all a precaution to ensure the safety of everyone at the healthcare system.
As this disease continues to rise in the community, we have to remember that our staff are people in the community that are exposed to their families, and as they come into our buildings, we are now screening them for symptoms and temperature. We have a new app since we talked last. That application allows the employee at home to go onto our website and through this app and report what their symptoms are if they have symptoms, and if they have a fever. They have a green check mark if they have no symptoms and no fever, and then they are safe to enter into work.
They say it is all about keeping everyone, staff and patients, safe throughout the hospital system. You probably are tired of hearing of it, flatten the curve, but they say that really is the best way to help our hospitals ensure that they do have enough bed space as these cases begin to rise.
And Alexis, we heard from Governor Parson today that the Missouri National Guard is out scouting possible locations for overflow hospitals. So the question tonight is, will any of those be in our area?
And Sam, what they're doing, they say they are looking for what they're calling alternative care sites, and they are looking all across the state for those places, including the Dome at the America Center in downtown St. Louis. Now, they haven't said when they could make decisions on what sites are selected, if they will even need them, but here are some of the criteria that they're looking at. They're looking for areas that do have deficient bed counts, as well as areas with large enough spaces for patient populations. And this one's important. They're looking for areas where utilities are available to start construction if necessary. We'll keep you posted on anything that they decide. Sending it back to you.
All right, Alexis, thank you. Necessary things to look at.